Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a responsive navbar using HTML and CSS. In this video I have created this responsive navbar, and when user will hover on these items he will see a border, and I have also used a little bit jQuery. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. Let's start. So friends, here you can see that I have created a index.html file with simple HTML structure, and I have created a style.css file. Here I have used these three colors, and inside my index.html I have linked this style.css to my HTML page. So let's start to working on our responsive navbar. So we just have to type here nav, and inside this we have to create a label, give a class to this like logo, and type here cubic soul x. Next, type here ul and create 5 list items. Make sure your each list item should have an a element, and inside this I have to type home, news, about, contact us, and team. Open style.css. First of all I have to use a Montserrat Google font inside my this HTML. To use this font, just open the Google and search here google.com and type here Google fonts. Click on first link, click on this fonts and search here Montserrat. You can use the font according to your own desire and scroll down. Suppose I want to use this 500, this font. Here you will see an add button because I have already added this font. That's why I am seeing this link to your right side. When you will click on this add button, you will see a link to your right side. Click on import and copy this and paste this to the top of your style.css, and just copy this font family and type here asterisk and paste this font family. It means that I'm giving this font family to my all HTML elements inside my web page. And next one, type here padding 0, margin 0, box sizing, border box, and next just type here, but before typing you can see the current output of my this HTML code. Next type here nav, height 80 pixel, background color light gray, and width 100%. You can see the current output. And next we have to type here ul float right, margin right 70 pixel. You can see the output. And next type here ul li display inline block. You can see your list items are on the same line. And next type here line height 80 pixel. And next type here ul li a and type here color white. You can see the output. And text decoration none, and give margin 12 pixel and 16 pixel, and give a padding 6 pixel and 8 pixel. Next we have to give font size property. Font size would be 20 pixel. And next we have to work on our logo on the left side. So just type open index.html and copy this logo class, open style.css, and just type here dot logo. Font size would be 35 pixel, color white, line height 80 pixel. Without line height property, your logo will look to the top of your page. So I just have give my line height to equal to the height of my navbar. That's why it is on the center position. And next friend, you have to type padding 0 pixel and 70 pixel. Type here font weight bold. Next, open index.html, type here label and give id icon, and inside this just type here I and class fa bars. But to use this class we have to add font awesome to our head section. To add this font as awesome, just open the Google and search here font awesome CDN W3 schools. Click the first link, scroll down, copy this link and paste this link to your head section. Similarly, just refresh, you can see this bar icon here, but just copy this id and open style.css and scroll down and paste this id here and type here color white, float right, margin right 70 pixel, font size 22 pixel, and give line height 80 pixel. But next we have to give a property to it, display none. Now we have to make our this navbar responsive. Let's start. Just type here at the rate of media, maximum width 700 pixel, ul height 100 vh, width 100%, margin right 0, background color dark gray. And next just type here ul li display block, text align center. You can see the output. And next give line height 100 pixel. And next type here copy this ul and li and paste this here space a hover color white, not white, but I'm going to give red color. So you can see that the color of my these icons is changing. You can give color according to your own desire, but next we have to type here our icon ID and type here display block and give margin right property to 20 or 30 pixel. Similarly, we have to type here dot logo and margin left 40 pixel. We have to also change this 30 to 40 pixel to make our this UI more beautiful, but there is a mistake in logo. We don't have to give margin, we have to give padding. That's it. And finally, when user will click on these bars, I want to hide these list items, and I want that when user will click on these bars, I want to again display these list items to my user. Let me show you how to do that. Before this, you have to type here position fixed, and next you have to add jQuery to your website. To add the jQuery, search here jQuery CDN W3 school, open the first link, scroll down and copy this script tag, open your head section and paste this tag here. By using this, I can use the jQuery, and in the last we have to type here ul.show left 0, and here in the ul we have to type here left minus 100%, transition 1.0 second. Let's refresh this, but we have to add the jQuery code. Open the index.html and in the head section type a script tag and type here $document.ready function and type here icon.click function, and next type here ul.toggle class and give your class name show. Just refresh. So friends, you can see that this is our responsive navbar. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, but friends, before ending the video, we have to add one more thing. Open style.css. We just have to copy this ULLI and a element and paste this here and colon hover and type here border 1 pixel solid white. So when user will hover on these items, he will see a border. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, but I recommend you that Google and Stack Overflow is best to find the programmers problems. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and share this video with those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.